Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. I wanted to do a little bit something different today, so we're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump in. Today's job lead is from the company House Digest. They are hiring a freelance writer to join their team. Specifically, they're looking for someone to write about home design and lifestyle news. They are paying $21 an hour. So this is a non-phone writing job. It is a little bit different than your standard data entry and customer service jobs, but if you are a creative person or know a lot about home design or just lifestyle, this might be a great opportunity for you. They cover anything from home renovation trends, home design trends, and more. It says their team of writers and editors have years of experience working in home and garden media space. So it says, do you know the best color to paint your walls, how to find the right plants, or need some serious celeb home inspo? They are looking for someone who has at least 3 years experience writing content for print or the web. Now, since this is a freelance position, it says you get to claim the topics that you write about. They have a list of topics that they need covered, and their writers get to claim what topics you want to write about. You can pitch relevant and timely news stories to them also. If there is not a topic on the list and you have something you want to write about, then you'll do some internet research and you'll write 300 to 800 word articles in custom CMS. Now, 300 to 800 word articles are pretty short articles, so you don't even have to write very long. You'll write this content on a quick turnaround time. You do need to follow their style guide, and again, it pays $21 an hour. If you are interested in writing jobs, other writing jobs where you get to be the creative brain, please leave it in the comments down below and let us know. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.